आप लोगों के सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक्स फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन। थैंक्स फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन। वो मेरे बारे में बात कर रहा है। ही इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट मी। ही इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट मी। बच्चे मुझे पढ़ने नहीं देते। चिल्ड्रेन डोंट लेट मी स्टडी। चिल्ड्रेन डोंट लेट मी स्टडी। उसे घर पर रहने के लिए कहा गया है। He has been told to be at home. He has been told to be at home. बच्चे सुबह से टीवी देख रहे हैं। Kids have been watching TV since morning. Kids have been watching TV since morning. मेरा दोस्त कौन सी कार चला रहा है? Which car is my friend driving? Which car is my friend driving? मैं तुमसे कभी नहीं मिला। I never met you. I never met you. मैं तुमसे मिलने को पागल हो रहा था। I was craving to meet you. और I was being crazy to meet you. और I was getting crazy to meet you. सीता ने कंपनी छोड़ी और चली गई। सीता left the company and went. सीता left the company and went. ये कहानियाँ मुझे पसंद नहीं। I don't like these stories. I don't like these stories. हमने गलती नहीं की। We didn't make a mistake. We didn't make a mistake. तुम सभ्य लगते हो। You look civilized. You look civilized. तुम अपनी गलती स्वीकार कर चुके हो। You have accepted your fault. You have accepted your fault. राम ने मुझे मेरी जीत पर बधाई दी है। Ram has congratulated me on my victory. Ram has congratulated me on my victory. दुकानदार ने मुझे लूट लिया। Shopkeeper ripped me off. Shopkeeper ripped me off. क्या तुम मुझे याद दिलाओगे? Will you remind me? Will you remind me? बुरे दौर में तुम्हारा साथ किसने दिया? Who supported you in bad phase? Who stood by you in bad phase? हम 2 बजे पार्क में घूम रहे थे। We were walking in the park at 2 o'clock. We were walking in the park at 2 o'clock. माँ बदले में कुछ नहीं मांगती। Mother demands nothing in return. Mothers demands nothing in return. वो किसके लिए इतनी दूर गया? For whom did he go this far? For whom did he go this far? तुम्हें चोट किसने पहुंचाई? Who hurt you? Who hurt you? मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचा। I never thought so. I never thought so. वो अपने सपनों को साकार करेगा। He will fulfill his dreams. He will fulfill his dreams. ग्लास मेरे हाथ से स्लिप हो गया और लुढ़कने लगा। The glass slipped out of my hands and started rolling. The glass slipped out of my hands and started rolling. मुझे सब्जियां भी लानी थी, दिमाग से निकल गया। I had to bring vegetables too. It just slipped out of my mind. I had to bring vegetables too. It just slipped out of my mind. ये मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया या मुझे ध्यान नहीं रहा। It slipped out of my mind. It slipped out of my mind. मैंने किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong have I done to anyone? What wrong have I done to anyone? मैं 15 जून को उस शहर में फंस गया था। I had been stuck in that city on 15th of June. I had been stuck in that city on 15th of June. उसे घर पर रहने के लिए कहा गया है। He has been told to be at home. He has been told to be at home. अयांश इस वक्त स्कूल में नहीं होना चाहिए. Ayan should not be in school right now. Ayan should not be in school right now. आपसे पुलिस के द्वारा पूछताछ की जानी है. You have to be interrogated by the police. You have to be interrogated by the police. पकड़े जाने की डर से वो डरा हुआ था. He was scared of being caught. He was scared of being caught. इस वक्त घर पर होना मेरे लिए ज़रूरी है. Being at home is important for me right now. Being at home is important for me right now. एक अध्यापक होने के नाते ये मेरा फ़र्ज़ है. Being a teacher, it's my duty. Being a teacher, it is my duty. मैं गिरने से बच गया. I escaped falling. I escaped falling. मैं गिरते गिरते बचा. I narrowly escaped falling. I narrowly escaped falling. वो साइकिल से गिरते गिरते बचा. He narrowly escaped falling off the bicycle. He narrowly escaped falling off the bicycle. वो स्विमिंग पूल में गिरते गिरते बच गया. He narrowly escaped falling into the swimming pool. He narrowly escaped falling into the swimming pool. वो पास होते होते रह गया. He narrowly missed the pass marks. He narrowly missed the pass marks. ग्लास लुढ़कते लुढ़कते लुढ़क गया. The glass kept rolling and fell down. The glass kept rolling and fell down. ग्लास लुढ़कते लुढ़कते गिरने से बच गया. The glass kept rolling but escaped falling. The glass kept rolling but escaped falling. आपको अपने दोस्त से बात करनी चाहिए. You should talk to your friends. You should talk to your friends. क्या मैं आपके साथ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit with you? May I sit with you? मुझे शाम 7 बजे तक ऑफिस में रहने का आदेश किया गया था. I had been instructed to stay in the office till 7 p.m. I had been instructed to stay in the office till 7 p.m. काश मेरे पास पैसे होते. I wish I had money. I wish I had money. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe.